I feel that, there's a multi-sectorial way of approaching things. And I think when we live here, right, things will happen in different places, from the AG's office, the State Department, the Finance, the Housing Committee. We've been to the public participation. I think the issues that really need to be addressed, and the Attorney General, as an advisor of government, these issues came out very clearly from the public participation: the government land, the devolved functions, the tax waivers that we're giving to the various companies that are going to be building the houses, and then the issue of, on the issue of levy, tax, fund, right? People have this notion that if it's a levy and we're not getting houses, it should be a saving which we should get back. All right. If it's a tax, everybody knows when you pay a tax, it's gone to government to do what they have to do. If it's a fund, like the fuel fund, nobody comes and asks you, the road levy fund, the road board fund, nobody comes and asks you, give us back that money. So I think as we continue calling it the housing levy, we've got to understand that those who contribute, who don't need houses, want that money back. And I feel that maybe we've stuck to this house levy, and we need to really think out of the box and ask ourselves, is this a tax that helps the government to provide the much needed houses? Or is it a fund that is non-refundable and government provides houses and it's open to all? And the issue of deposit, I mean, people out there were saying, why are we even being asked for deposit when people are being taxed to provide these houses? So as the advisor of government, I feel that some of the things that we've picked on the public participation could inform the legislation, the law, the drafting of the law, and could also inform the advice to government, so that we don't end up being in court throughout the tenure of this term, instead of providing the much needed houses.
Thank you. Yeah, it's casting as fashion. Thank you so much. I think, Attorney General, yes, Mheshimiwa CPA.
Okay, thank you. I'm not going to ask a question. First is to appreciate Attorney General before the chair congratulates you. I can see Sungui and the team.
For that committee or that office. Thank you so much. Otherwise, now that this meeting, members, I think.
Off the cup. Speaker, you don't know his office. You don't know where he is. Online.